Ebusuafo, TikTok gossip so channel no asama bedu sui. And they are international news. Now, the story no is about Jaden Smith, the youngest billionaire. What if you any gold na yetregunu? Jaden Smith feel. Ni feel na swimming pool na msoro fountain air coban Will Smith. Ne papa ni. Or papa ni. Na you say just Jaden Smith no the youngest billionaire Owusika. Na ne fashion no the taste of fashion no. And uncle for say na mo ye show say Jaden Smith, mo ye show so UK. Mo ye show say dambo no bo no say share dambo. No bag cry no. It to Ghana. Big brands so on model the man big brands na Jaden no hu ni sa no or ye artist, music artist and son of some model. It's on her bagging. Big companies and almost signing no e man the model de ma na nkrofo e associate ni fie na etwegu no Jaden Smith no akola keto akra o menye show say 25 kro menya hwe ni fie na etwegu no afi nkrofo de ne nsam no camp of that now Jaden Smith no on peso better puff daddy din kra o se ne papa e ton ne ma puff daddy jiska